It's Adam here from the Tint Academy. We're just doing a 2-day course in Vancouver. Now, in our course, we teach 2 methods of installation. The bottom load, which we remove panels, and the 2-stage, which you don't have to remove anything. Now, my personal opinion, I always like doing my 2-stage better because I don't have to remove anything. But there is a little bit more of a trickiness to it. So as we can see here, we've already done our stage 1, now we do our stage 2. So just come around through this way here. So a lot of our guys, they get stuck at this point here. We can see where that tint is bent. Once they get to the second module, they're going to try to jam that film in. We don't want to jam it in. I'm going to put this film flat, pull it back up to where the curve is bent, and then I'm going to pull that seal back, and I'm simply going to slide it right behind and let everything fall right into place. So I'm not getting any of that curve. Once I get it flat on the glass and in behind, I'm going to bring it down and really reinforce it. Now, if I come to this side here, do the same thing. We have that bent. I'm going to pull it up past where the bend is. So you can see right through here, pull that seal back and let it slide right into place and pull that peel back and get all that film to sit underneath. Then once I get it to sit flat, and take my easy reach and really reinforce it down. Now, once we get to this stage here, I reinforced my end and I can squeegee everything right back down. So that is the trick to getting it right flat on the glass. Now, most of our guys they're just gonna try to jam it in. That's gonna cause crease, dirt, and damage to the film. So just to review, bring it up past where the crease is, let it slide down and remove that back. I hope that helps you guys with some tutorials about how to get that second piece of our 2-stage method in behind that seal.